Bachata basic steps, bronze level. So first step in bachata is a stationary basic. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do reverse angle so you can see it more clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how we do it? So basically we stay together in couple. We stay in place. We only dancing our rib cage and hips for the 3 counts. We don't do any steps. 1, 2, 3, and on count 4 we have a little bit using our knee, have a little bit hip action. 4 for bachata music. Looks like this. Go boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the next step for bachata is a rotary stationary basic. So it's the same step as a stationary basic. We're just gonna slightly change direction. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, 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 hip, side, 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 hip, side, 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 hip, side, 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 hip. Okay, so let's go with the next movement in bachata. It's called side to side basic. So it looks like this with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do exactly the same reverse angle. Bachata side to side basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here it's slightly different than stationary basic. We start to travel a little bit. So we take in a 3 side step, 1, 2, 3. Then again, using our hip and our knee to create the beautiful hip movement on count 4. The same on the other side, 2, 3, 4. And here already tips. When you dance together with a partner, don't try to stay in front of each other. Keep her a little bit on your right side. And here, as you move, don't focus too much on leg stepping. Focus on the body action, your rib cage and hip guiding your feet. Then dance will be more rhythmical, more flexible, more musical as well. Okay, let's move on. Next step in bachata is a half pivot. So look like this. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And do the same from the other angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's in a way a combination of stationary basic and side to side basic. So how we do it, if I call out the step, we go side together, side, hip. And here we go side, 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 hip. Side together, side, hip, side, 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 hip. So this is called half pivot. So let's do another step in bachata. Step number 5, half pivot with the underarm turn. So look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me teach you how to do it. Call the steps. You go side together, side, hip, side, 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 hip. Always in bachata, finish with that hip. Side together, side, hip, side, 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 hip. Enjoy.